Hello, this is hello, this is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. This video is for Ruud in Switzerland. Trying to zoom out. Why I cannot zoom out, I don't know. But anyway, this video is for Ruud in Switzerland. Ruud, so the car came. This is a '94 SL600. It came back from the test drive with your Egas module installed. This is an Egas module that was in the car, so it's just sitting here in the car, and I just want to show you that it actually runs and drives, and Egas is fine. So the trip was about 30 miles. Yeah, it's the end of the world outside. As you can see, it's raining badly, so we're going to just, you know, do what we can do. But again, the idea here is that to check the module. The module was on the bench for quite some time, and the car was driven like about 30 miles. No, not 30 miles. Yeah, 35 maybe. 35 about. So, and it works fine. I mean, there was no problems here, so we're okay. So just quickly, I'm just gonna go up and down the street because I don't want to go far because of the weather, but just want to show you on the video that it actually does work. I do not want to take the module out just because it's wet and I don't want to get computers wet, but it is all proven to work. So we're gonna go back right now to the end of my street. I'm just gonna accelerate once and come back, and that's it. So I know it's good, and no questions about module. Yeah, going back still. I can't see behind me very well, it's too much rain. We actually had a huge storm came through New York today, actually like an hour ago, 2 hours ago. And right now there is insane amount, like a 250,000 people stranded at the train terminal because trees went down on the tracks, and they can't leave New York City to go home to different states like Connecticut and Pennsylvania and New Jersey and all that. So it's just pretty terrible. But anyway, so here we go. Basically, we're just gonna accelerate and drive. Works fine, shifts gears, and you know, acceleration is, as you can see, no questions about the module. I mean, I just wanted you to see it. That's all I wanted to do. So I'm gonna go and make a U-turn real quick. And obviously I'm not gonna, in this weather, just pull module out. I don't want it to get wet or anything, so I'm just gonna go back, and I'm going to remove it first thing early in the morning, so I can have everything ready to go. But as you can see, acceleration is great, no problems here at all. Okay, so let me go back and park the car, and I'm gonna stop recording because this is basically just a kind of a confirmation video. It's not about many. It does not have lots of information. It's just to show you that you saw the wiring harness I did for you. You saw the throttle body I fixed for you. You saw the other throttle body, and this is the Egas module that you also mailed me to check, and everything checks out just fine. We're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Like I said, this is my module. This is not yours, because yours is 2232. Yours are newer. Mine is 0432, which is older, and that's fine. I mean, they interchange, no problems. It's just yours is newer than mine, because I believe your car is a 95 and this is a 94, so I had an older style module. Other than that, everything is exactly the same. Okay, so I'll call it quits. And this is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.